Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCTH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this yesterday, and the big question yesterday, was, hey, the price started to bounce. There's no doubt about that. But was this the start of something bigger? Were the bulls trying to get, back up on the horse and, just create some sort of a legitimate price movement? And we got our answer today. No, absolutely not. This was the epitome of a dead cat bounce. Now, to traders out there, can money be made on dead cat bounces? Absolutely. And that's why these are trading, Clay Trader. That's why, the perspective we're taking. So it's not like, that was a totally fruitless move, but it all depends on perspective. If you're somebody that cares about a big picture perspective, then yeah, that move, to answer the question, was that a start of something bigger? No, that was a flat out fake move, dead cat bounce. What gives me the right to say that? Well, if that was a truly strong move, the price would be making progress forward. The price wouldn't be all the way down here now, right? And I don't say that to insult anybody's intelligence, but let's just make sure we're all on the same page. That is why I'm saying that. I'm not bashing. It's just a simple fact of the matter and a little bit of logic that price movements with true power are going to make progress. This did not make any sort of upwards progress. It went down in progress, and that's just not a sign of anything bullish. So back to the drawing board for the bulls. So let's map out some of the newest areas of support and resistance. Key level of support and newest area of support going into next week is going to be right there at 0.07. Let's make sure I'm looking at that right. 0.077, we'll call it. 0.077, you can see on several occasions today. So to give some credit to the bulls did do a good job of holding up above it as the bears tried on 3 separate occasions to push down through there. So 0.077, that initial area of support. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, key level right now in a short-term perspective is right up there. You can see multiple times price tried to get up above 0.085 but couldn't quite do it. So 0.085, that near-term level. But from a big picture perspective now, and as far as the overall trend is concerned, it's all about the purple line. And the easiest way to look at that is simply put, the bears are in full control as long as the price is below that purple line. Case in point right here. I'm not saying that the bulls can't make any short-term movements. There was a nice bullish move. There is a nice bullish move, but within each of those, you can see the price rolled back over because the bears are in full control. And until the price can get up above that purple line and stay above it, that's really the easiest way to kind of look at the overall trend of things right now. So, next week is a new week. We'll see if the bulls can get their act together or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.